Hi, this is Steve from Karben Sports. New for 2020, we have a 4x3 multi-purpose goal that I will show you how to assemble. All right, the tools needed for this assembly. I have a rubber mallet, a screwdriver, and if you'd rather use a drill, you can. Just be sure not to over tighten the screws. All right, I have part A's set up in the center with the buckles up, and I have the part D's on the side. I have a part B and a part C laid out as such. You'll notice that the part C is just a couple of inches longer than the part B, and that is because the part C will go on the longer side of the goal in these two, and the part B will go on the shorter side of the goal here. I will then want to thread part B through the bottom of the A's, part A's, and then into the part D's. And I'll just give it a little tap. Make sure they're inserted. Take part C and then thread that through part A. And then into the end of part D. Take your rubber mallet, give it a tap, make sure they're inserted. All right, we'll take our part A's and we'll try and move them on the goal so they are equally spaced here on the goal, so they're pretty much into thirds. We will then want to screw our part C and our part B here. So I will take a screw. There's 4 of them. They'll go on the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we will take our multi-purpose goal and stand it upright and lock our center arms in place. And now it is time for the net. They're on the net. The corner, you can kind of tell it's a little bit thicker of a rope. I just like to drape it. The corner's on the corner of the goal. And there are 20 Velcro strips that are included to Velcro and attach the net to the goal. There are 4 Velcro strips at the top, 4 Velcro strips at the bottom, and then 3 on your side poles here, 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 and here. All right, there you have it, the Karben Sports multi-purpose goal. And you are ready to play. And depending on what game you're playing, also included in the box, part E, these go in the top corners. These are going to be posts. And also included part F. These go in the back of the goal and they just help to keep the goal stable. You can put sandbags or bean bags, some sort of weight on the back. And it also helps just to keep the goal from moving around on the gym floor. And to fold up the goal, you're ready to put it away, you just simply unbuckle the goal here, and it folds up nicely. Nice and thin, doesn't take up a lot of room. Thank you very much for watching.